Good morning, children. Joyadas here. Today we will do question number 5 from exercise 11.2. In the previous video, I want to explain why the formula, how the formula to find the area of a parallelogram, area of a circle, area of a triangle we are using. Now, by using this formula, we have to solve this sum. The question number 5, it is very important sum. Try to understand it properly. PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. Figure is given there in your book. PQRS is a parallelogram. And in a parallelogram, you know that opposite sides are equal. PQRS is a parallelogram. QM is the height from Q to PS. Corresponding side is SR. QM is the height on SR. The height is given 7.6. QM is the height from Q to SR, and QN is the height from Q to PS. QN is the height from Q to side PS. That means when we are using this height, the corresponding base is SR. When we are using this height, then corresponding base is PS. Now what you have to find out? Here QM is 7.6 given, SR is given 12 centimeter, SR is given 12 centimeter, this length and side of this SR is given, and QM height of QM is given. Now you can easily find the area of this parallelogram because area of parallelogram is base into height. Now question number A is the area of the parallelogram PQRS. Easily you can find out. Now you have to find QN. Question number B, you have to find QN. This height you have to find out when PS is given 8 centimeter. Afterwards, second part I will do afterwards, but first you do the first part. For question number, for solution of A, base SR, here the base is SR, is equal to 12 centimeter and height QM equal to 7.6 centimeter. Therefore, the area of parallelogram, short form of parallelogram, two parallel sign and gram, GM. Area of parallelogram PQRS is equal to base into height base 12, height 7.6. when you are multiplying 2 units, answer will be centimeter square. Now the answer is, if you multiply in the rough work, you will see that answer is 91.2 centimeter square. Now see the area of the parallelogram when you are using this height and this base, then area of this parallelogram you are getting. Next, when you are using this height and this base, area of the parallelogram will be same, because area of parallelogram PQRS is 91.2 centimeter square. By using this height and this base, we can find out. When you are using this base and this base PS and height QN, area of PQRS will be this one only. Now by using this area, we are finding the solution of question number B. When if base PS is equal to 8 centimeter and height QN you have to find out, and area of the parallelogram is already given by using this question number A, it is 91.2 centimeter square. Then easily you can find the height of QN, which you have to find out here. Now this is in question number B. We can write as base into height equal to area of the parallelogram. Now base is 8 centimeter, height QN equal to 91.2. Now QN, this 8 is multiplied here, you know, by using simple equations idea. 91.2 by 8. Now you have to divide it by 8. 91, 8 ones are 8, 1 1, 8 ones again 8, 3, the point you will shift here, 2, 8 4s are 32. Therefore QN is equal to 11.4 centimeter. This is your answer. This is the answer of the second part, and this is the answer of the first part. Next question is question number 6. Read the question properly. Always you have to read the question 2-3 times. You have to understand the problem, then you will go for its solution. DL and BM are the heights of the side AB and AD respectively. DL picture diagram is given. DL and BM are the heights of the parallelogram ABCD. DL is the height on AB and BM is the height on AD respectively of a parallelogram ABCD. If the area of the parallelogram is 1470, here the area of this parallelogram means the closed area by the parallelogram ABCD is given here. The area of this portion is given 1470 centimeter square. If AB is equal to 35 centimeter and AD, the length of AD, it is 49 centimeter. The length of AD is 49 centimeter. Find the length of BM and DL. That means area of the parallelogram is given, bases are given. When this base is given and the height and area is given, you can easily find the height by using the formula. Let's start the first part. You have to find the length of DL and BM also you have to find out. First of all, we want to find the length of BL. Solution: area of the how many things are given, we will declare all this first. Area of the parallelogram ABCD equal to 1470 centimeter square. Base AB is equal to 35. When you are taking the base AB, then height, corresponding height will be DL. BC 35 centimeter, height on the corresponding side AB is DL, which you have to find out. Now we know that base into height is equal to area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram, base is 35 centimeter, put the value 35, and height is DL. On 35 DL is the height, and on 49 centimeter BM is the height. Now we are on this AB, we are using this base and this height equal to 1470. Now to find the value of DL, you have to divide it by 35. 1470 will be divided by 35 because it was multiplied here. Cancel, if you want to cancel, you can cancel it. 35 5 7 ja 35, 7 2 ja 7 1 ja 7 and 0. I am dividing. You can use this division in the rough work. Next 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10. Therefore, DL is equal to 42 centimeter. First answer is 42 centimeter. Next, when you are using this base and this height, again the same parallelogram, again a base into height is equal to area of the parallelogram. Base here 49 centimeter, height BM equal to 1470. To find the length of BM, you have to divide 1470 by 49 now. 7 7 ja 49, 7 2 ja 7 1 ja 0, 3 0. Therefore, BM is equal to 30 centimeter. This is another answer. This is a next answer. To a first you have to find DL and then I have find out BM. I hope this sum is easy for you when you see this explanation, and next time I will give one sum for your homework. Next question is question number 8. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal length. Two sides are equal length and one is unequal. AC and AB 7.5 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter, and BC is given 9 centimeter. The height AD from A to BC. AD is the height from A to BC. Corresponding side is BC and height is AD. What will be the height from C to AB? In first case, one height and one base is given. By using this height and this base, you can find out the area of triangle ABC easily by using the formula half base into height. After using that area, you can find the height of EC. But first, you find the area of the triangle. In triangle solution, in triangle ABC, base, when base is BC is given 9 centimeter, on the corresponding side height will be AD, height AD 6 centimeter. Then you can find the area of the triangle. Therefore, area of triangle ABC equal to half into base into height, half into base 9 into height 6 centimeter square, 2 3s are 27 centimeter square. Now the area of the triangle ABC you can find out. Now you have got the area 27 centimeter square. By using this area, you can find the height of C, as base is given, height unknown, but area is given. Now again, in triangle ABC, when height is EC, base AB 7.5 centimeter, on that base height is EC, which you have to find out. But in this situation, area of the triangle ABC, you know, 27 centimeter square. Now by using this area, you can find the height of this one as half into base into height is equal to half base into height is equal to area of triangle ABC. Now half into base 7.5 into height EC, which you have to find out. Area of triangle 27 centimeter square. Now 7.5 into EC, this 2 is in the division form here. Now 2 will be multiplied, 27 into 2. Now EC is equal to 27 into 2 by 7.5. 27 into 2 into 7.5. This, to remove this point, we have to divide it by 10. This 10 will go in the numerator. Now divide it. This division, when you are doing this division, then 5, 3 nines are 325s. 3 nines are 325s. Now 5 twos are 5 5s. 2 twos are 4, 4 nines are 36 by 5. If you divide it, what you get? 36. 5 7 are 35. 1. Take a point here. 10. 5 twos are 10. So what is the length of EC? Therefore EC is equal to 7.2 centimeter. I hope this sum is very easy now. Now you have to practice it. I know you, as you are doing it first time, so you have to practice it. Next question, question number 7, you have to try it by your own. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at A. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC, and AB is equal to 5 centimeter. BC is equal to 13 centimeter. AC is equal to 12 centimeter. BC 13 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the height of AD. But in a right triangle, this one you can use as base and this one is you can use at height, because this is perpendicular. Both the line AB and AC are perpendicular to each other. So base and height you can use and you can find the area of the triangle. First of all, you try. If you get any problem, then I can help you afterwards. Thank you, students. Watch the video properly and try to understand.